The first ever Dornier procured by Mauritius was purchased from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Kanpur, and was ferried by Wing Commander Thomas and Mr. Appa from Air Mauritius. The aircraft also provided enough outer island support sorties to Rodrigues and Agalekau. In these 3 decades, the aircraft has the liberty of participating in various multinational exercises including Cutlass Express, Maze, Papang and Raptor. This aircraft in a span of 30 years has undertaken various missions including EEZ surveillance, coastal surveillance, various search and rescue missions, and medical evacuation and casualty evacuation missions. This aircraft has a range of 1000 nautical miles, endurance of 5 hours and a ground speed of 200 knots. It was fitted with British Supermeric Surge radar, which has a coverage of 360 degrees. After the yeoman service of 30 years, the aircraft was decommissioned on 15 December 2020 and after a lot of deliberation handed over to Polytechnic Mauritius on 24th August 2023. The aim is that the majestic bird should be able to inspire a lot of Mauritians and especially the younger generations to study aviation related subjects, get inspired and join the aviation world. I am sure this bird shall go a long way in motivating the younger generation to join and see the world of aviation.